Hey guys, for this video, I will show you how to add Calendly to Framer website. First, go to your Framer website and select the project where you want to add Calendly into. After that, go to your Calendly, log into your account, and under event types, you will see your events, so select one that you like and click on the share button. Now, go to add to website. And in here, you can choose on how to add Calendly to your site, whether inline embed, pop-up widget, or pop-up text. Select one and continue. After that, you now have the access to embed code, so just copy it. Then go back to your Framer website, and on the top left, click on Insert. Then search for Embed and choose the Embed one. Now, on the right panel, under Embed, choose HTML and then paste in the embed code you copied from Calendly and press enter. Now you will see your calendar displayed. So what you need to do is to just drag in that calendar to the section where you want to put it. Then you can choose absolute for the type, so you have the option to resize and drag the calendar. And that's it, you just need to fit into your layout. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.